Okay, I am now right here by Davy Mart. See the Wilcon Depot over there. There's Davy Mart. Okay, there's the fuel prices as of today. Look, whatever date is on the that I published this video. That's the date. It's the 21st of August or something like that. There's the Wilcon Depot. It's very nice inside. It's actually very, very nice. And this is still National Highway. Okay, right across from the Wilcon Depot, in front of the AM Hotel. See, there's not a whole lot happening, guys, I tell you. Hope you don't get too bored. Show you real life here in the Philippines, the real lifestyle. And there's more to the Philippines than just the bars and nightclubs. Okay, well, somebody was asking me if they needed to rent a jackhammer or something. And this company right here, they rent you all that stuff. So, there's the phone number up in the top right-hand corner. So check it out if you come here and you need some of this stuff. You know, I mean, sometimes a guy needs to rent a forklift or a bobcat or scissor lift. You know, you never know what you need. And here's that company that rents this stuff. Need scaffolding? They got it. Cement mixer? Huh. Water pumps? I see water pumps over there. And his dog is not too happy. Okay, just checking it out. You have a nice store. At least he's not running up trying to bite me. Okay, they call it a river, but it's some kind of drainage. Big cell phone tower over there. What separates a long pole from Subic? Okay, I'm pretty close to the Jollibee here at San Isidro. I guess it's San Isidro. I call it Sawmill. Morning. Some people just don't smile. You know? Can't change the way the world is. Just the way it is. Okay, this little area right here, right across from the Jollibee. That Sawmill. Pretty nice place here to stop over, have a drink or something. Get something to eat. They have a little market area over there. It's pretty nice. If you have a motor, oh, it's okay. If you have a motorcycle, you can stop and relax, you know, get some water. And as I said, it's right across from the Jollibee. Okay, you need some fish, pork, chicken. Right across from the Petron, next to the Jollibee. At Sawmill, they got it here. Hot dogs. They got all kind of stuff, you know. Well, they fixed the road right here. Finally. Morning. Oh. And this is, I call this place Sawmill. A lot of people call St. Thomas. You know, so I'm guessing this is St. Thomas. But like I said, I call it Sawmill. Yeah, they got a lot of little stores here. You can buy necessities. And if you need a tricycle, this is where you come to get your tricycle. Right here on the corner. You know. As I was saying, this is on the corner right here by National Highway. Yeah, the Sawmill's mostly residential, you know, I mean, I might go down a couple blocks, show you what. Okay. On the corner here of St. Thomas and National Highway. A lot of people selling vegetables and stuff, you know. Not a lot, I mean. This afternoon there'll be more. Good morning.
Morning.